Hey guys, what's up? This is Pran here from TAVE, and today I'm really excited to unveil the Samsung Galaxy Watch, which has just launched in India. This is Samsung's latest flagship in the watch area after the Gear S3 Frontier, and I shall do the unboxing and also take you through the setup instructions and first time use. So please do watch the video till the end. We are waiting much, let's get it started. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do press the subscribe button and do not forget to smash the bell icon to get notifications. I buy my review products myself and I'll be really thankful if you can support me so that I can make more interesting videos.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
So guys, this just got delivered today and I'm pretty sure it's not available in the Samsung stores yet because I got this from a special promo offer with my Note 9. So I got it directly from the Samsung store, and this got delivered to me by post, through delivery post. So just let's see how the box is. Looks quite good. They have used the Samsung Galaxy black packaging. I've seen the Note 9 as well. So this is a really good packaging from the outside. Here's a Samsung branding, Galaxy Watch, and guys, this is the 42mm version and this is the Bluetooth one, and this was the one which was on offer and not the 46mm. And let's see what's on the right hand side of it. Yeah, it says long battery life, auto fitness and wellness tracking, 39 plus workout activities and support, and guys, this is water resistant. This is 5 ATM and 50 meters water resistant and dust resistant, which is really good. At the back, it's the stay connected longer. Maybe they're talking about the battery, but because they claim it to be much more efficient than the Gear S3 Frontier, and this is compatible with any smartphone, any Android smartphone with Android 5 or higher, and RAM of 1.5 GB and above. So this has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and GPS. So nothing much on the above. There's a seal here, and so let's get on with the unboxing. So yeah, let me move it up from here. Let me show you this way. Oh my god, this looks really nice, guys. Yes, and this is the bezel. Let me take this out. Let me keep this down for a moment and see what else is there in the box. Focus the camera a bit. Okay, so let's open this. There are two boxes here, and I think this is the charger, travel charger. This is the one. Just let me keep it aside. Nothing in here. What else we have here? Okay, and this is some extra straps. Good silicone strap. Let's push the side, and here, guys, is the wireless charger. I'm not very sure whether it's a fast charger, but yes, it's a wireless charger. It comes in the package. It's a very good thing. And I think this is a pad here where you can, some soft material which you can put it for stability. Just keep it aside. And here's a manual book and a warranty card, so be sure to read this before operating the watch. I will also show you how to set it up for the first time, and so I'll just move everything aside. So here is the watch, guys. Let me open this up. This has got silicone straps. Well, for a costly product like this, I would have wanted a leather strap, but that is fine. These are interchangeable and you can change it anytime, but yes, the steps don't even look that bad. It's quite good. And okay, so here are the side buttons here. This is the switch on button or the home button, and this is the back button. Only two buttons here, and there is the heart rate sensor at the behind. Samsung claims this to be much better than the Gear S3 Frontier for accurate measurements. And this is the thing I like, guys, the rotating bezel, which is not present in Apple devices, and this is quite convenient. I'll show you once we go to the interface of the watch how convenient this is. And let's boot up. So I'm pressing this sometime. Yes, this boots up. Let me remove this as well while it boots up. Whoops. Or maybe I'll remove it later. So here is saying Galaxy Watch 6A14. Download the Galaxy wearable app on your phone to pair your phone and watch. And if you want to see more, you can just go behind. So let me come with my phone now, guys. So let's start with the pairing, guys. So I have opened my Note 9 where I've already downloaded the wearable app, Galaxy wearable app. You get it in the Play Store and also in the Samsung Store. So it's asking for connect new device, scan, and here you go, guys. It recognizes my Galaxy Watch 6A14, and I tap it here, and this is the code that is reflecting here, which also is there in my Galaxy Watch. So let me okay this, and then I have to press on OK in my phone as well. So here I'm getting a message that Galaxy Watch is detected and is already connected via Bluetooth. So here it is still showing check your phone to complete setup, and I think it's watch paired, and here you go, guys. There's a terms and condition. I usually do not accept to all. Only few things I have accepted here. They have a here mapping technologies by here, and I press a next. So I'll skip this for the moment, and let's get to the watch. So it says it's connected, turn clockwise and widgets will appear. And yes, guys, turn the other way, you're back to your watch face. Turn again, your notifications will appear. This is the back key. Okay, here's the home key. Almost there. Swipe down to show settings and status. Yes. Cover and touch with palm, your screen will time out. So yes, that's it. So this is the basic things that Samsung, while setting up the phone, gives the introduction, so there's no problem whatsoever. So I'm really loving this, guys. This looks amazing. I'll come up with more explorations in my next video, like how this phone performs, how is it good, is it bad, Does it give the battery that Samsung claims? So we'll come back, but before going that, let's see the watch faces here. This is already available. This looks gorgeous, guys. This looks gorgeous. And that's about it. So yes, there'll be a lot of other options. I wish to keep my phone on at the time. It looks like a very good, and yeah, of course, let me try this and show this how it looks on the wrist. And guys, you can also put there are really some good straps available in Amazon. And here it goes, guys. Yeah, this is the turn on feature and it works really good. I'll quickly show you a comparison with my current watch, like how the size is and how it looks like. So this is my Titan watch, guys, which I normally wear, and this is size is almost similar to this, and I have small wrists, and this looks quite good, guys.
So guys, I will also quickly show you how to charge this device, and it's always advisable to charge it before completely using it. It comes with 50% charge, but let's see how to do it. So charging is quite simple, guys. You just take out the wireless charger given in the box and then connect it with the adapter that is also in the box. This is a simple adapter. It's not a fast charger, and this comes with the micro USB 2.0 that used to come with other Samsung devices earlier, and not like the Note 9, which comes with a USB-C port now. I only wish that they could have provided a fast charger, but that is not the case. But let's see how the charging is done. So you can see light blinking there. Just grab your Galaxy Watch and put it there. So there's a magnetic strip over there, and it's holds on tightly to it, snugly. It doesn't fall off. Very nice. And then after a while, yeah, the watch face comes up, and that you know that it's charging. So I have currently not found out how much actual time it takes from charging from 0% to 100%, but currently my watch is at 50% and it is showing around 1 hour 16 minutes for a full charge. So I am hoping that around 3 hours there'll be a full charge, but I will definitely know in the next videos I'll be making. And this is about it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Please let me know if you have any comments or questions in the comment section below. Go ahead and smash the like button if you really liked the video. Also let me know if you want me to make any specific video on the Galaxy Watch, and I shall try my best. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss on any other exciting videos that I shall be making on the Galaxy Watch and the Galaxy Note 9. I am planning to make one video per week. So goodbye. This is Pran signing off till I see you on the next one.